Hi, everyone. This is June 4th message for humanity from the Spirit Guides. Allow the truth to come forth with greater ease. Conceal nothing and allow the truth to lead you. Use your inner compass and teach others how to use their inner compass to get the clear answers of yes or no in their own body, not their head. So clear your heart and feel a yes. Then clear your heart and feel a no. Now you know how to tap into your inner guidance in an instant, and that will guide you further than any logic within your head could. The best analogy we have for this is with your mind. You see only what you know from very small angle and point of view on the ground. But when you tap to your inner guidance, you can see things beyond your own knowledge of the matter and make a decision that is in your highest good without a doubt. Knowing what course of action is in your highest good, whether you know the reason or not. Experience will prove you right, and you will learn to trust it. So practice. Inner guidance is one of the biggest gifts a person can have, aligning you to your highest path. So utilize it often and without fear, for it will not disappoint you. Learn to use it, trust it, and you will have your inner compass at your service anytime, any place, without fault. Be well. So the exercise, let's do that together now. I want you to take a moment now, if you can, if you have a moment, or save this video for later. But take a moment now, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel what is a clear yes for you. This is basic kinesiology. So what feels like a clear yes? Think of something that's really like something loving, and thinking of someone loved one. It feels like it opens your heart region. Feel a clear yes. Notice how it feels, how the sensation is within your space, within your body, not within your head, but in your body. And now let's take a deep breath, clear that out, and I want you to feel a no. What feel like a no? Something you would definitely say no to. Feel like a no. Oh, I don't want to be involved in this. Something clear no. It feels like a contraction or like a right? Notice how it feels in your body. What a clear no feels in your body. And now allow yourself to know you can ask certain questions as you address this, and ask certain questions that would help you discern what is in your highest good. To simply ask, is it in my highest good to do this and this? Yes or no? All right? And take it from there. Will it be of service to me to engage with this person, do this task, take this job? Is it in my highest good to take this job? Any question you might have, clear your mind. Don't let the noise of the pros and cons and all the lists you have in your head get out of your head and into your heart, into your inner compass, and use it often. Use it daily, so it becomes a muscle memory that you can apply and use anytime, anywhere. You can use it on a dime. All right? Enjoy this. And if you have any questions or any other questions you think you should ask, or if you want to ask, just listen on below and on the comments below, and we can have a conversation on it. And simply know that you can just apply this anywhere, anytime. And the more you do it, it's just like getting in shape. You're going to get in that beautiful shape of your inner compass. So if you like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Talk to you soon.